Yes, so all this we did in the last lecture, right? Physical divisions of India, the extension of India. Zaki, can you see me the extension of India? Are you there, Zaki? Yes, who will see me the extension of India? टोटल एरिया ऑफ इंडिया कौन बोलेगा मुझे? चलो वो बताओ. व्हाट इज द टोटल एरिया ऑफ इंडिया? What is the total area of India, boys?
32.8 lakh square kilometer.
Yes, exactly. 32.8 lakh square kilometer. Okay. And from Kashmir to Kanyakumari, it extends from North Kashmir, right, to South Kanyakumari. What is the length of it? Kashmir to Kanyakumari? हाँ बेटा, 3,214 kilometers. What is its length? 3,214 kilometers. Okay. Okay. And from east to west, say Arunachal Pradesh to Gujarat. Gujarat in the west. Okay. Arunachal Pradesh to Gujarat. What is the length of Arunachal Pradesh to Gujarat? 2,933 kilometers. Is it clear? Clear or not? Now we will see the physical divisions of India. As I said you last class also, right? Fazil, can you listen me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So as the last class also we discussed that Himalayan mountain ranges, apart from that plateaus, islands, are all part of physical divisions of India, right? So we'll see now the locations of it. Okay, we discussed about this. That Himalayan mountain ranges is what is a natural border, natural boundary, right? And it parallel is iske parallel. Yes, there is north south mountain ranges. What it is there? North south mountain ranges, which is again divided into three parts. Okay, पहला part क्या है? Greater Himalayas. Okay, second part is what? Central Himalayas. South में जो है. Okay, south to it lies the Central Himalayas. Okay, and the third part is the Shivalik ranges. What is it? Or you can say is outer Himalayas also. Okay, so which is the first part? Which is the first one? Extreme north में जो है वो Greater Himalayas. What it is? What it is, beta? Yes, Zaki. Can you read this part? Physical divisions of India. Hello. Am I audible, boys?
Ma'am, as far as bus I can read.
Yes, Zoher. Read, beta. After this, you read. After this, you read this, Zoher. I'll be showing you one presentation in which I'll be showing you physical divisions of India. Okay.
Okay. Physical division of India. Physical division are made up on the basis of Earth's surface. The Himalayas mountain is mostly situated in the north to guard our boundary. Its parallel north-south mountain range is divided into three parts. The greater Himalaya or हिमाद्री माउंटेन
हिमाद्री
रेंज
माउंटेन है, देखो फिर उसको ग्रेटर हिमालयस भी
हिमाद्री
बोलते हैं एंड ग्रेटर हिमाद्री माउंटेन रेंजेस भी बोलते हैं. ओके.
okay. Himadri mountain ranges is located in the extreme north. The highest mountain peak of the world, Mount
Mount
Everest,
Everest.
lies here. To the south of it lies the central Himalayas of the Himachal mountain range, where many tourist spots and places or pilgrimage are there. To the south of it lies mountain range known as Shivalik
Shivalik.
or Outer Himalayas.
Hmm.
To the south of Himalaya lies Ganga, Satluj,
Satluj नहीं, सतलुज.
Satluj, Yamuna,
ब्रह्मपुत्र.
Brahmaputra, Brahmaputra, and vast fertile plains made up of alluvial deposited by the rivers and tributaries. That flat plains made up by the river are very fertile. High density of population is seen over there due to more agriculture production. To the west of India lies great the desert. Its
Thar desert. Thar
experience
desert. Zohir is
Thar,
Thar
de-
desert.
Thar desert. It experiences more heat and less rainfall. Sometimes it does not rain for 3 4 years constant,
Continuously.
continuously. Very less vegetation is seen in this area. To the south of northern plain there is an inverted
Triangular.
triangular
Triangular.
triangular plateau of south. The land surface of that area is uneven,
Uneven.
Some parts of it are higher while some parts of it are of less height. There are many mountain ranges and hilly
Regions.
regions in this area. There is Aravalli mountain range to the northwest region of this area, which is the most ancient mountain range of the world. Vidya and Satpura mountain ranges are located to the southeast of it. Narmada and Tapi river flow here from east to west and meet the Arabian Sea along after flowing through the Vidya and
Vindhya.
Satpura mountain ranges.
Vindhya.
Vidya and Satpura mountain ranges Eastern Ghat is situated to the east of Southern Plateau and Western Ghat is situated
Inter.
in the west
Inter.
side of Southern Plateau. The Western Ghats are in a row while Eastern Ghats are
Intermittent.
intermittent. Since these plateaus are made of volcanoes, minerals have been found in ample
Ample
quantity.
quantity. Very good. Wait 1 minute. Okay now. Yeah. See here.
Indian size. Total area.
Yes. Read.
Am I have to read?
Yes.
Indian size. Total area of India is 3.28 million square kilometer, which is 2.4%
Percent.
of
The total.
of the total area of the world. It is seventh largest country in the world. In terms of landmass, it has a land boundary about 15 200
200.
kilometers, and the total length of the coastline of the mainland, including
Including Andaman and Nicobar
Andaman and Nicobar and Lakshmadweep
Islands,
Islands, in seven
1,000,
seven lakh five
7,000,
7,050
7,516.
7,516.6 kilometers in the northwest, north, and northeast of India. Young Falls Mountain bounds it.
Yes. So what it
Bounds
is?
it.
Bounds it means what? Okay, there are mountain ranges जो हम आगे पढ़ेंगे, right? So beta, it is the land boundary of India is how much? Okay, see. You can see here India's map. So land boundary, matlab this boundary. Okay, how much is this boundary? 15,200 kilometers, right? 15,200 kilometers, right? Then coastal lines. Coastal lines is 7,516 kilometers. This is the coastal line. Okay, how much is this? 7,516 kilometers, including what? Beta, Andaman and Nicobar Islands and Lakshadweep Islands. Okay, understood? Understood? And apart from that, beta, from here, Gujarat, right, from Kutch to here, east, Arunachal Pradesh, the length is 2,933 kilometers. Okay, and from here, Jammu and Kashmir, okay, border, Jammu and Kashmir, till here in the south, Kanyakumari, the length is how much? 3,214 kilometers. Understood? So how much is the land border? This border is how much? How much? 15,000. लैंड बॉर्डर कितनी है? हेलो,
Hello,
हाँ, लैंड बॉर्डर इज हाउ मच?
15,000.
Yes, approximately
15.
15,200 kilometers. Sorry,
15,002 kilometers.
200. Okay, now we will see how much is the coastal border. This border is how much? Coastal border, this border, huh? This is all coastal border. How much is it? 7,000. I showed you in the PPT, right? 7,516 kilometers, right? How much it is? 7,516 kilometers, right? Coastline of the mainland, including Andaman and Nicobar Islands and Lakshadweep, including what? This Andaman and Nicobar Islands and the mainland, it is 7,516 kilometers. And the land border is 15,200 kilometers. Okay. Apart from that, beta, Kashmir in the north and okay, and Kanyakumari KK in the south. What is the border? What is the length? 3,214 kilometers. How much it is? 3,214 kilometers. Okay, boys, understood? Yes or no?
Yes, 3,214.
From where?
One month.
From where? From Kashmir in the north to Kanyakumari in the
To Kanyakumari, south.
understood?
Yes, north to south.
Here,
Kashmir to Kanyakumari.
from up to here down south. Okay, clear?
Yes.
Yes, coming back to the presentation. Okay. Now see, we will see about the this uh, the mountain ranges. Okay, the बाकी के जो slides है, I'll show you afterwards when we get time because this lesson is very lengthy.
Okay.
Okay,
I can continue.
yes, read better.
The northern mountain of India. Himalayas stretch across the northern boundary of India. These are the highest west to Arunachal Pradesh. In the east, they form a natural boundary between India and China. The Himalayan ranges pass through many Indian states. They are Jammu and Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Sikkim, West Bengal, Arunachal Pradesh, and other northwestern states.
Eastern states.
Eastern states.
Yes. So the northern mountain ranges, we will see. Okay. Himalaya stretches across northern boundary of India. These are the highest mountain ranges in the world. Which what are they, better? Highest mountain ranges in the world. We saw in the text also, right? So here you can see the brown
Yes.
part. Huh? All this is what? All this is what mountain range. देखो यहाँ पे भी लिखा है. Can you see here? This brown line is mountain ranges. Can you see? Huh? Can you see here written mountain ranges? See, all this is
Yes, yes.
mountain range. Can you see? They are known as Himalayan mountain ranges. Now, what it is said कि ये एक natural border बनाती है. From where? In between India and China. Can you see here China? Yes. Can you see, boys? China, so it forms a natural border. We saw in the textbook also boundary, natural boundary it forms. Read the first two lines जो है physical divisions of India के.
Okay, ma'am. Physical divisions are made on the basis of Earth's surface. The Himalaya mountain is mostly situated in the north to guard our boundary. Its parallel north-south mountain range is divided into
Yes,
three
it to
parts.
guard.
The Greater
Wait a minute.
Himalaya or
To guard me. Why me? So see, it is guarding our north to south, right? Has to see. These are the highest mountains in the world. They stretch from Jammu and Kashmir in the west. Sorry, in the north, Jammu and Kashmir to the west, to the east कहाँ तक? West of Arunachal Pradesh, Itanagar in the east, है ना? वेस्ट से एक्सटेंड नॉर्थ वेस्ट से एक्सटेंड होके अरुणाचल प्रदेश ईस्ट तक जाते हैं ये माउंटेन रेंजेस. कैन यू से? एंड सो व्हाट दे आर, इट इज सेड दैट they form a natural boundary between India and China. Okay, I showed you right now in the textbook also this statement, remember now?
yes, remember.
Yes. So the Himalayan ranges passes through many Indian states. Many Indian states. Is this all Indian states से ये pass होती है? Okay, all these Indian states. Okay, it passes through many Indian states. Here, this all. Okay, clear? Now they are first is Jammu and Kashmir, जो अभी लद्दाख भी है, right? Then it is Himachal Pradesh here, Uttarakhand, Sikkim. Sikkim means Gangtok here, right? And West Bengal, Arunachal Pradesh and northeastern states. इन सारे states से Himalayan mountain ranges pass होती है. Himalayan ranges, I repeat again, Himalaya is not one mountain. Okay, it is a mountain range. Ranges means what? There are many mountains together. पर्वतों की माला है. Okay, clear? Clear, boys? Okay. Now,
Yeah.
yes. Now जो हमने आगे पढ़ा वो मैं आपको समझाऊंगी पिक्चर्स के साथ. ओके, टेक्स्ट बुक. यस जोहेर, जो आपने पढ़ा उससे आगे पढ़ो, सेकंड सेकंड लाइन एंड द रेस्ट ऑफ पैराग्राफ.
Okay. The Greater Himalaya or Himadri mountain range is located in the extreme north. The
कौन सा
highest
कौन सा
mountain.
कौन सा नॉर्थ में है?
I'm third line.
एक्सट्रीम नॉर्थ में कौन सा माउंटेन रेंज है?
The Greater Himalaya or Himadri mountain range is
कौन
located
से
in
कौन
the extreme
कौन से
north. The
कौन से
highest mountain.
विच जोहेर?
Himalaya.
नहीं, विच वन?
Ma'am, what you are asking?
Which one is located in the extreme north?
Himalaya.
नहीं.
Himadri mountain.
हाँ, और उसे एक और नाम देते हैं, वो है ग्रेटर हिमालयास. क्या देते हैं? ग्रेटर हिमालयास. देखो पहला है ना, द ग्रेटर हिमालयास और हिमाद्री. ओके, विच वन इट
The
इज द फर्स्ट
Greater
वन?
Himalaya or Himadri.
विच इज द फर्स्ट वन फजील? एक्सट्रीम नॉर्थ में कौन सा है जोहेर? एक्सट्रीम नॉर्थ.
Himadri mountain.
और उसका और क्या बोलते हैं उसको?
Great Himalaya mountain.
नहीं, ग्रेटर हिमालयास.
Greater Himalaya.
देखो एक बात आपको बताती हूँ, जो बाहर है नॉर्थ साइड में उसे ग्रेटर हिमालयास बोलते हैं और हिमाद्री. ओके, जो बीच में है ना उसे सेंट्रल बोलते हैं. सेकेंड है ना जो उसे सेंट्रल बोलते हैं, साउथ में जो लाई करता है, और उसे हिमाचल माउंटेन रेंज भी बोलते हैं. ओके, और जो थर्ड है ना वो शिवालिक माउंटेन है, और या फिर आप उसे आउटर भी बोल सकते हो. मतलब मैं कैसे याद रखती हूँ जोहेर? ग्रेटर हिमालयास, सेंट्रल हिमालयास और आउटर हिमालयास. समझे आप? देखो प्रेजेंटेशन में दिखाती हूँ, सेम थिंग मैंने रखी है प्रेजेंटेशन में. देखो, ગ્રેટર હિમાલયાસ, લેસર હિમાલયાસ યા લોવર હિમાલયાસ. લેસર એટલે કે સેન્ટ્રલ અને લોવર એટલે કે આઉટર. સમજાણું?
Yes.
શું સમજાણું કે તો?
Greater એટલે great.
નોર્ધન એક્સ્ટ્રીમ નોર્થમાં કયું છે?
Extreme north માં
ટ્રાય આવડશે. મને તો નથી આવડતું,
Himalaya.
તમે કયો? ના,
Himadri mountain.
એને કેવું હિમાલય કહેવાય? હા, હિમાદ્રી.
Central.
और
Himadri or Greater
ના,
Himalaya mountain. The Greater Himalaya mountain.
yes, greater Himalayas. Okay, in the north. Okay. अच्छा, હવે આ ગ્રેટર હિમાલયાની સ્પેશિયાલિટી શું છે? યુ નો બેટા, કે इन द ग्रेटर हिमालया द माउंट एवरेस्ट सबसे वर्ल्ड का बिग, ओके, वर्ल्ड का बिगेस्ट, ओके, माउंटेन पीक, माउंट एवरेस्ट इज इन दिस रेंज. ओके,
In this,
समझ माइक इज इक्वलिंग माय वॉइस. अंडरस्टूड और नॉट? Sorry, what did you don't understand? So okay, so the northern mountain range is which beta? नॉर्दर्न माउंटेन रेंज कौन सी है? एक्सट्रीम नॉर्दर्न कौन सी है? ग्रेटर हिमालयाज और हिमालय माउंटेन रेंज. ओके, यस. देन सेकंड वन जो है, रीड बेटा.
somewhere.
यस जो है, कंटिन्यू. हेलो हेलो हेलो
Yes, yes, yes.
जो है, can you listen me?
Yes, yes.
Yes, from the third line.
Extreme north. The highest mountain peak of the world, Mount Everest, lies here. To the south of it lies the central Himalaya or the Himachal mountain range, where many tourist spots and places of pilgrimage are there. To the south of it lies mountain ranges known as Shivalik or Outer Himalaya.
Hello?
Yes,
Hello, boys?
yes, ma'am.
Yes, continue.
The Himalayas can be divided into three parallel ranges with large valleys. The Greater Himalaya or Himadri, the
Lesser Himalayas, मतलब के central.
Central Himalaya or Himachal, the Lower Himalaya or Shiva Lake, the
Shivalik
mountain
range.
decrease in the height of west to east. The Himalaya is the highest range of Himalaya. It has the highest peak of the world. The lesser Himalaya, Himachal. The Himachal range is found between the Himadri and the Shivalik mountain in the range are not very high. Through winter season,
वो नहीं
see
दो.
no snowfall. The summer are cool and
Pleasant.
pleasant.
Pleasant. Yes. So what it is said here, beta, that the mountain decreases in height. These are the three mountain ranges. Okay. This is the first one. This is the second one, and this is the Shivalik is the third one. Okay. Is it clear? The Himadri, the Himachal, and the Shivalik. Okay. Now, इसमें से इसमें से the mountain decreases its height from west to east. Okay, west to east जाते जाते its height is decreasing. But the Himadri, मतलब के this one, okay, Greater Himalayas. Okay, Himadri is the highest range in the Himalayas. Okay, which it is? Himadri means the first one, the greatest Himalaya. Greater Himalaya is the highest range and the highest peak in the world. Okay, of the world is in this range. Matlab in Himadri range. Okay, Mount Everest. Okay, now it has the highest peak of the world. But apart from that, beta, the lesser Himalaya, that is the Himachal or the Himachal Pradesh, is also found between the two, that is the Himadri and the Shivalik range. Is it clear? So mountain in this
Yes,
range are very high, are not very high, but still, there is snowfall over there. But still there is snowfall over there, and so beta the summers are cool and pleasant. And so beta, in this mountain ranges, lot of tourists also go. Okay, because of the cool atmosphere, snowfall, and everything, right? So all this is about the three
Ma'am,
parallel ranges. Okay. Yes, bolo.
ma'am, in summer also cold.
No, pleasant atmosphere, not too cold, not too hot. Okay. The summers are cool and pleasant. Okay. See, this is more that I have brought you about Himachal range, Greater Himalayas, Himadri range, and all this, right? What type of activities are done over there? Sab kuch live, but you all are not paying attention. So we'll just do from the textbook, okay? So all this was about the Himalaya mountain ranges. Now, what it is said in the last paragraph here, that in the south of the northern plains, there is an inverted triangle plateau. Can you see here? Inverted triangle, matlab ulta triangle. Can you see inverted triangle here?
कहाँ पर बन रहा है ट्राइंगल?
बेटा see this north south में triangle नहीं बन रहा है? ऊंधू triangle.
मैम जे नीचे अनिलमाल, अनिलमुद, एनफिन, ગીર રેન્જ અને મહા રિવર
આખું ટ્રાયંગલ જ બને છે. નહીં, ઇન્ડિયાનો જે નીચેનો પાર્ટ છે ને, વેસ્ટ થી લઈને સાઉથ એ ઈસ્ટ માં પાછા આવે ને, તો ઇટ ફોર્મ્સ અ ઇન્વર્ટેડ ટ્રાયંગલ. Shape, can't you say it's an inverted triangle? Wait 1 minute. See now. Triangle જેવું દેખાય છે? Yes. So it is also known as inverted triangle. Clear?
Inverted triangle.
So in this part, coastal areas are there. Means what? Water is connected with the land areas, right? So this part of India has plateaus also. Okay, what it has? It has plateaus also. Apart from that, two ghats, eastern ghats and western ghats are there. Can you see eastern ghats? Eastern ghats जो है, that is towards eastern.
હમણાં નહીં, આપણા ફ્રી કસ્ટમર અમવાનો સમય. અને તું કસ્ટમર બનાવજે, વાઈફાઈ એક્ટિવ કસ્ટમર.
Is east of India, that's the west of India. Okay, जो है in line when to the pool, right? In a row. Eastern Ghat એટલે શું જે સાથે કનેક્ટેડ હોય ને એને ઇન્ટરમિટન્ટ કહેવાય, right? એકબીજાની અંદર અંદર like it is intermittent. Okay, and these areas are highly fertile. Why highly fertile? Because the coastal areas, right, the seas from here are also bringing lot alluvial soil. Apart from that, the plateaus hai, they are made of volcanoes. Okay, so great ample quantity of minerals have been also found in this area. Understood till here, everyone? Understood or not, boys?
Yes, understood.
Understood or not? Yes or no? And why you don't reply to them? Everyone is sleeping or what?
No, ma'am, understood.
Why you all are not replying? Understood? Ask some doubts if you don't understand. So in how many ranges, how many parts is Himalayan mountain range is divided? How many is it divided, beta, Himalayan mountain?